Hello guys, welcome to Pinaki Yoga. I am Vijeta, your yoga trainer for today. Which is your favorite muscle group? Mine is legs. Legs is the largest muscle group of human body, includes many different muscles like quadriceps, hamstrings, shins, calves and adductors. Calf pain and knee pain are the basic complaints from many of my clients. Though age factor is the reason, but stiff and weaker legs is also responsible for immense pain while walking or sitting on the floor. Here are few asanas for strong legs which will provide strength, flexibility and also boost your muscle memory. Try to hold each and every posture for maximum number of seconds even if it is painful.
Stand straight while focus at one point in front of you. Slowly bend the right knee. Bring the thigh as close as possible to the chest. Hold the big toe and straighten your leg in front of the body. Then slowly move the leg towards right side. Keep your leg straight. Left hand in front of the chest, Janana Mudra. Hold for few seconds. Repeat with the other leg. Same practice. Stand straight and raise both of your hands over your head. Interlock both of your fingers and keep your hands in front of you. Bend forward from the trunk. Slowly raise your left leg directly to the back. Keep your arms, head, hips and toes in a straight line. Make a T shape of the body. Stay here as long as comfortable. Slowly release and come back to standing position. Repeat same practice with the other leg. Stand straight while keeping your feet shoulders apart. Slowly raise your arms and bend down from your buttocks, keeping your shin perpendicular to the floor and your arms over your head parallel to each other, close to the ears. Femur parallel to the floor and make a 4 shape of the body. Slowly come back in standing position and release the posture. Stand straight while focus at one point in front of you. Raise both of your arms in front of you and bend forward from your hips. Bend completely down and shift your body weight to the right leg while raising your left leg straight to the back side as high as comfortable. Touch your toes completely and try to keep your body straight and keep your feet straight. Repeat the same practice with the other leg. Stay here as long as comfortable. Slowly release your leg and come back to standing position. Stand straight, focus at one point. Bend the left knee and grasp the left toe behind your body. Slowly bend forward while raising your left leg as high as comfortable. Right hand in Janana Mudra, straight in front of you. Shift the body weight to one leg. Stay here as long as comfortable. Repeat the same practice with the other leg. Slowly release and come back to standing position.
Hope you guys like the video. Do share your comments in the section below and also your queries regarding yoga. I'll meet you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and stay fit.